Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you in the class of physics. Today, I will explain the second part of the video, that is chapter elasticity. In elasticity, firstly, discuss Young modulus of elasticity. Okay. What is Young modulus of elasticity? The ratio of longitudinal stress and longitudinal strain is called modulus of elasticity, and it is denoted by letter Y. Okay. Suppose that if we take a rod or wire of length L, and after applying a weight, that is due to this own weight, because m is the mass of the wire, then mg force act downward, and due to which the length is increased by delta L. Now, longitudinal stress value given is force weight suspended divided by area of cross section, that is mg upon pi r square. Because wire is actually cylindrical shape, so it have cross section area in circle form. Now, longitudinal strain, that is delta L upon L, by using the Hooke's law, Young modulus of the material of the body, that is Y, is equal to the ratio of longitudinal stress upon longitudinal strain, and that gives the value mgl upon pi r square delta L. And this have the unit Newton per meter square or Pascal, and its dimensional formula is same as earlier cases, ml minus 1 t minus 2. Now moving forward, we compare here who is more elastic if we take the steel and rubber. Suppose that the length of the wire of steel and rubber is same, and weight is also same, cross section area is also same, but rubber is, after applying the weight, elongated more. So the value of Young modulus which is given here for steel, mgl upon pi r square delta ls, where delta ls is the increased length in the steel wire. However, yr is the Young modulus of rubber, that have the value mgl upon pi r square delta lr, where delta lr is the increased length of rubber. If we divided it and get the value ys upon yr, then we find here delta lr upon delta ls. By assumption, we find that delta lr is more than delta ls, that is given here. So, value of ys upon yr is more than 1. Hence, ys is greater than yr. So, we can say that steel is more elastic than rubber. If in exam this question comes, then you have to write down in this manner. Now moving forward, next topic is bulk modulus of elasticity. Bulk modulus of elasticity is the ratio of normal stress to the volume strain. So, if we take a cuboid shape pipe here or solid item and exerted the pressure P around it, then its volume decreases by delta V. So, the value of normal stress, that is pressure, and the volume strain, that is minus delta V upon V, because volume decreases, so minus sign is used here. And bulk modulus is denoted by capital letter B. So, value of B is normal stress divided by volume strain. The value of normal stress is P, volume strain is delta V upon V, minus sign. Then we get minus PV upon delta V. So, we find here bulk modulus is equal to minus PV upon delta V. If P is positive, then delta V will be negative, and if P is negative, the delta will be positive. The negative sign in the above formula shows that B is positive. On compressing under same pressure, larger volume is produced in gases but very little in liquid and solids. SI units of bulk modulus is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Dimension formula is ml minus 1 T minus 2. Next point is compressibility. What is compressibility? Compressibility is the reciprocal of bulk modulus and is denoted by letter beta. So beta is equal to 1 upon B or minus delta V upon PV. Its unit also reverse. So SI unit is meter square upon Newton, and dimensional formula of compressibility becomes m minus 1 LT2. Okay. Now moving forward, what is modulus of rigidity? Modulus of rigidity, it is the ratio of shearing stress to the shearing strain. Suppose we take a cuboid of ABCD as shown in the picture, JKHI. After applying the parallel force that is given here F, its upper surface is moving forward by angle theta and bottom surface is fixed. Then what comes? The theta is approximately equal to tan theta, because theta is very less, then it can be right here equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to displacement of the upper surface divided by distance of the upper surface from the fixed surface. So we get shearing stress here F upon A and shearing stress, that is theta, that is given here. So we get modulus of rigidity, that is given here. It is denoted by Greek letter eta. This is letter eta, and its value is F upon A upon theta, that is F upon A theta. It have the unit Newton per meter square or Pascal, and same dimensional formula ml minus 1 T minus 2. So eta units Newton per meter square, Pascal, or same ml minus 1 T 2. Okay, thank you all of you. This is the second video for you of chapter elasticity. Be patient, and thank you all of you for watching this video.